What's the most beautiful thing you can show me, Froggy?
Probably Debussy's Pentatonic. Or should I say Claude Debussy? I am learning French after all.
Oh, tu parles français? Je n'en savais rien.
No, I'm still learning.
Eh bien, va droit au but, Froggy.
What does that mean?
Get to the point, Froggy.
Okay, so take the D major pentatonic scale. In case you didn't know, it's the same as the B minor pentatonic. Now look at these beautiful arpeggios within that scale. Play them as straight eighth notes. And now look at these descending triplets. Debussy adds a major 7, C sharp, for a little extra color.
That's kind of boring.
Yes, well, this is where Debussy blows your mind. He plays them at the same time.
Froggy, that's the most beautiful thing I have ever played.
Well then, subscribe and make sure you don't lose me in the YouTube matrix. So these are two independent rhythms. That's what makes it so amazing. So how do you practice it in perfect rhythm? I do it like this. I notate the music into MuseScore 4, set it to a slow tempo, and play it back. Then I try to play along, making sure both voices are perfectly in time. Don't mess up that polyrhythm. It's the whole point. And now I have an announcement to make. We finally started a Patreon page. If you'd like to support these ideas, head over to Patreon. There we'll upload the sheet music for each video, and Boring George and I will post regular videos digging deeper into these musical concepts. We'll leave a link in the description. As always, leave a comment. What's your favorite part of which composition? Did anything exceptional come to mind? Or just say something totally random. We love it all. Thanks for watching.